Hey, to connect AirPods 3 into your Windows PC, first of all, you will have to input a left and the right one inside the case, and you have to be sure that you are like at least 5% of the battery level on your charging case, because to enter for the pairing mode, we have to actually charge our charging case. So, when you actually are sure about this battery level, click and hold this button that is located on the back of the charging case until this indicator starts blinking white. Just like this. Now we can release and keep that case open with the both earbuds inside. Now on your Windows, you have to simply go for Settings, open Bluetooth and Devices. Now turn on Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth device. Now just wait. They will pop here on the list. You have to be patient. Sometimes it takes like 30 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait even 1 minute, but they will be here. Just wait for it. There we go. As you can see, they appears right here as a headphone. I'm not sure what is the reason, but sometimes the name actually changed, sometimes not. But you have to just select them with the left mouse button. And now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.